raining again. Can't rain all the time.
Eric?
Alright, today we are having Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's been a hot minute since I had KFC, I can tell you that.
Hello, can I take your order, please?
Hi there, can I get 2 double down burger meals, please? Can I also get 2 pieces of original recipe chicken? Can I get a side of gravy and chili bites as well, please?
That's your name, please. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, let's go find somewhere to eat. Engine off. Here we go. First things first. Let's get the straw in our drink. There we go, we've got a Pepsi Max. Here it is. Alright. This is a pretty big bag of food. Okay, to recap, I have 2 double down burger meals, 2 pieces of original recipe chicken, side of gravy, and chili bites. As always, I will put the calories and macros on screen. What are we going to have first? This is our original recipe chicken. Oh, it smells good. Can you see this? Ooh. Let's have one of these first, shall we? Let's go with the old drumstick. Check this out. Okay. It's good. It's kind of messy. Skin kind of falls off. Not bad. First piece of chicken done. It really is finger licking good. But not when you've been washing your hands with sanitizer at the gym. I think next up we've got to get one of these double down burgers in. Alright, comes in like a fries packet. See the packaging. Very warm. Oh, this is hot. Wow. This is going to be... Jeez, that is really hot. Jeez. My sensitive hands cannot take this. Oh my god, that's messy. I don't know if you can see this. Cheese is just melted all over the place. Well, look at this mess. How are we supposed to pick that up? Alright, I'm just gonna kind of wrap it burrito-like in the foil. Okay. Here we go. I mean, that's crazy tasty though. Man, they must put a lot of salt in it. It's really good. Oh. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off this thing. Try and cool it down. Alright, last piece of the first double down burger. There it is, last piece. That was very good. Let's open up our gravy and have a little dunk. There we go, it's just a small gravy, a little pot of gravy there. Let's get some chips, fries. Man, did I get any napkins? No, no napkins whatsoever, a big meal like this. Okay, the other portion of fries is like all over the place in that bag. But we have this one. Have these fries with a gravy. Go on, we can dunk. There we go. Oh yeah. If you haven't tried KFC gravy, you're missing out. All right, first fries done. All right, I think next we're going to tackle the second double down burger. This one's even messier. Look at that. There's a lot more barbecue sauce on this one. So tasty. Highly recommend these if you haven't tried them. And there's no buns, so calories wise these are pretty good. They're like 500 and something calories. All right, last bite of the second double down burger. Definitely need napkins, I don't have any. But we have a spare. Oh, it's better. What we got left? We got one piece of chicken left, chili bites and fries and a little bit of gravy left. I say we tackle the last piece of chicken. It's a proper piece. Alright, it's a good one. Nice big piece. Here we go, look at this. Big piece. Last piece of chicken done. Next up is chili bites. Little pot of chili bites. They look good, although they're covered in sauce, so I could really do with something to eat them with, other than my fingers. There you go, look pretty good. That's not bad. It's pretty good. Great sauce. Not so much sauce on this bit, so we're going with the gravy on this one. Here we go. That's more like it. Okay, there's one more chili bite left. This one's drippings with goo.
Well, I love you too.
Just gonna put the whole thing in my mouth.
That's what she said.
Okay, that is the chili bites done. Okay, all that remains is the last fries. We don't want to miss any. Oh no, I dropped one down the side of the seat. That's going to be there for a few years. Alright, this is the last fries. Oh, I'm dropping them everywhere. We've dropped like 2 fries, so we're not quite eating them all. Alright, last fries done. Okay, I'm going to be pretty disgusting now. We've still got a little bit of gravy left. Don't hate me, guys. Nope, I don't regret it. Finger licking good, huh? Okay, that's the drink done. I'm going to save the water for later. Alright, let's tally up. There's the gravy, fries, there's a double down burger, there's our 2 pieces original recipe chicken, there's our chili bites, there's our other double down burger, and our other fries. Woo! That was a double down burger meal, plus extra chicken, plus extra chili bites, and plus extra gravy. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you guys. Click that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!